Hi guys, today we'll play this game called Family. So I want to do something different for my celebration because I think enough of Arsenal today because it's like 9 a.m. right now. Wheat pita. What do I do? Okay, so I do the tutorial done so I can understand what this game is now. So it's pretty basic. Just a farming game. Nothing too serious. There we go. Being badass. Oh, wait, what? Yay! I got water from the river. Disgusting river. Oh look, my weeds are done. So satisfying. Now I can water nothing. Collect these first. Okay, I got them good. Now sell. Hurry up, my boy. Okay, so this game is pretty fun. Boy, that's so satisfying. Okay, then I got some stuff now. Let's plant the carrot here. Oh, you can hold down and then it will automatically plant. Okay, what the hell? Was there like one lonely seed here? There we go. La 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 la. Got the water. A really peaceful game. Nothing too promising. You can't tap. You have to tap. You can't hold. That sucks. We have water again. My god, these wood are too detailed. Make them less detailed for mobile users who play this game, please. Wait. How? The fancy. Oh look! Boom! Look at Garrett. His name is Garrett. He is a grown-up boy. 12. How much? Honey. Then carrot. Sell it. Gonna buy some onion. Gonna buy some wheat, some onion, some one carrot. Oh boy. The world's most peaceful game ever. Wait for this carrot to grown up, boy. Let's see what other. Oh, what's this? A purple axe. Oh, you need Robux. That sucks. What can you do out here? Farm animal? Small egg? What's this? Sawmill. Bamboo rod? Wooden axe? I'm just gonna admit, this tree is too detailed. I don't like it. It makes lag. Bam. Wow, that's a lot of money. Then give me first. Fishing rod. Go to any pond or not to click on the water source area. Boom. Come on. Oh! Nice catch. It is all for money. Sacrifice to mysterious fishing area shine. I got a squid. Squid. That gave me nothing. Okay, so planting time. Onion. Got it. Boom. Water. I'm low on water source. There we go. Now go back like Sonic the Hedgehog. Okay, go get water for like a Sonic the Hedgehog now. And kapow. Oh, look at the weed. Collect the weed. Chapa. Boy, look at that. How much money? Only 7 minutes. That's pretty fast. Oh, look at the onion. Oh, I got the onion. 3 to 1. 30. Oh boy. This game is pretty fun, not gonna lie. Gonna go fill up my water can now. Bam. You know what? I hope you liked the video. If you did, smack that like button. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye now.